In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name components in Figma. Naming components effectively is a crucial skill, especially when collaborating on design projects, ensuring everything stays organized and easy to navigate. Let's dive in and see how you can do this seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to head over to Figma, the go-to collaborative interface design tool. Open Figma in your web browser, and if you're not already signed in, click on Log In at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, and soon enough you'll land right on the Figma homepage. Now once you're on the homepage, your next step is to access the Design tab. This is where all your designing action will take place. Clicking on Design will bring you to the workspace where you can start creating elements for your design project. Begin by creating the elements you want to be part of your component. This could be buttons, icons, or any other UI elements that are essential for your project. It's important to create clean and simple elements, making sure each serves its purpose without unnecessary complexity. Once your elements are ready, you need to convert them into a component. To do this, look towards the top of your toolbar and click on Action. A drop-down menu will appear, and here you'll want to select Create Component. This step is crucial because components in Figma are reusable elements, allowing for a more efficient and streamlined design process. Next, switch your view to the Layers panel. This panel is vital as it gives you a hierarchical view of all the elements within your design file. From here you can easily select the components you wish to rename. Why is renaming significant? Well, by providing specific and descriptive names for your components, you ensure easy identification and usage throughout the design process. After selecting your component within Layers, go ahead and click on Rename. This action will bring up a text box where you can enter the new name for your component. When naming, think about clarity and consistency. Use names that clearly describe what the component is about or its function. For example, if it's a button meant for submitting forms, calling it Submit Button might be a good choice. And there you have it, folks. That's how you name components in Figma. Remember, taking the time to correctly name your components can make your design workflow not only more efficient but also a lot less stressful. Proper naming conventions facilitate better organization and ultimately lead to a more productive collaboration within your design team. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.